Good morning, Clay Thompson here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade-in that just came in 2 days ago. This is a 2016 Winnebago Spyder 32SC. Took it in myself. Previous customers kept it stored inside when they weren't using it. Came in. I have not cleaned it. This is just how it came in. I wished all of our trades came in this way. You got to see it if this is something you're looking for. Come on inside, check it out. Lots of room for cargo space. Lots of cabinetry. Got the overhead netting above the cabinetry. Really nice, comfortable, darn near residential type furniture. These are reclining rockers, swivels. Very comfortable. Nice, thick material. Bunk beds, ceiling fan, residential style, opposing dinette here that'll fold down, roll over, make into a bed. We have the patio kit out the back end. I'll show you when we go around the back. The one-piece pull-down screen. Lots of big windows. Lots of seating areas. Got the small couch slide-out area with above cabinetry. Come forward into the kitchen. Nice L-shaped kitchen area, big two-door fridge, freezer, cabinets above, exhaust fan in the kitchen, backlit counter area. If you look at the oven, if you look at the stove, you look at the convection oven, this has not been cleaned since we took it in, just how it came in. Half the people here asked me if the people ever used it. And I know the people personally. And yes, they did use it. Got rid of it because they got a nice fancy aluminum fishing boat and decided that truck camper would be a better way to go at this time in life. So got rid of the big toy hauler, went to the truck camper, and now using the boat with the camper. So nice big bathroom, porcelain toilet, big shower, skylight, sink with vanity and medicine cabinet. Plenty of height for tall people. Nice walk around bedroom. Plenty of room beside and on the end of the bed. Stows the table. This is the dinette table that would go in between the dinette area or in front of the couch. Nice big queen bed. Nice little reading lights above the bed area. Big deep cabinets above. Gen switch up here. Let me let you know. Generator's got 53.6 hours on it. Not too bad for a 16 model. Nice big deep cabinets there to hang up our clothes. A little bit of storage underneath the bed here. Real easy floor to keep clean throughout. Pass-through bathroom. Nice colors on it. Plenty of cargo space for just about anything. This unit does have Azdel. It's one of the first manufacturers that were using Azdel in their build structure, so that's a plus too. If you don't know what that Azdel is, feel free to give me a call and I'll be happy to share it with you. This has the extreme weather package. The cargo capacity is over 4,000 pounds on this unit. Black exterior. LED light strip underneath the awning with the adjustable pitch awning. Quick disconnect for your LP system down below. Pass through, or not quite pass through, but 3/4 across storage underneath. It's got the 50 amp cord service for shore power. Battery disconnect. Dual batteries, large propane tanks. Power tongue jack. Diamond plate on the front end for rock protection. LED lights on front, and now notice this is black. Look how clean it is, and rock free from chips it is, because the people took very, very good care of it. This has the big 5,500 watt own-end generator, runs off the fuel station. This has 2 separate stations on it, so it's got a fuel box for the generator and a fuel box for the pump station as well. Plenty of ground clearance underneath. Little LED light here for outside in case we got to come over to the docking station. Docking station's here. hot water heater here that's gas and electric. It's got a recovery system of 17.8 gallons an hour. Nice, good size system. Exhaust for the refrige to let it vent, exhaust for the furnace. It's got the correct track Equiflex system on the suspension, so it rides nice. Nice aluminum wheels, frameless windows, pump station. There, dual gas tanks. You have the on-off switch for the pump. You got a switch here that'll give us a gauge readout for the pump tank or the gen tank. Onboard ladder that's always with you. Nice big rear patio ramp door with loading lights on top. Nice big rain gutters out the back. This has the patio ramp with the gates that fold up. So it gives us a nice big safe patio out the back end with the one-piece pull-down screen on the back end. We can bring the reclining chairs out here on a nice beautiful day like today. Put them out here, enjoy the weekend. Roll-up carpet kit, built-in storage box in the floor in the back end. Really nice, very well taken care of, as you can see. And will handle a lot of the big toys. So if you need any more assistance or maybe some specs on this to see if it'll fit for what you need to buy a toy hauler for, give me a holler and I'll give you the specifications on it, tell you more about it if you need to know, or just come in and see me at Guaranty in Junction City, Oregon. My direct number is 541-979-1770. Be happy to share it with you. If this is not the one, maybe I got something else for you. Thank you and have a great day.